Hi everyone! Welcome and welcome back. If you love bags and accessories, designer or not, please do consider subscribing to this channel, hit on the notification bell, and together, let's enjoy these beautiful pieces. So today I'll be sharing with you how I will place a leather strap on this chain sling. We all know that chain slings look very classy and elegant, especially when we are wearing them. But the more that we put many things inside our bag and the more heavier the bag gets, this chain sling tends to dig into our shoulders. So I decided to put a small leather strap on this chain sling. So what we'll be needing is first a leather strap. This is from my other bag that I have cut a piece of, and also a D-ring. So this is a D-ring and I only have a gold D-ring, but I need a like a black or a gunmetal D-ring, so I will just recycle. So I found this from my old shoes. This is one of the hardware from my old shoes that was already broken, but I just got this part and I will be needing this one as my D-ring. So this will become my D-ring. This was the one from that part, and this one matches the color of my gunmetal hardware. So this will be the one that I'll be using. So now let's start. First, let's measure. So this one I will be using an estimate of 25 cm. So I'll cut up to this portion, this size. But I will show you first how I will connect this one to the D-ring. So first, let's measure 1 inch. You can see this one, 1 inch. And also measure this one. And this measures almost 1 cm. So let's use 1 cm. So from the 1 inch, measure 1 cm. So now let's cut using cutter and ruler. So now we will measure 1 inch and cut 1 inch and 1 cm at the middle. So this will look like this. So that is 1 cm, this one, and this is 1 inch. So this is how it looked like. So now we will cut 2 diagonal lines from the edge. So this one, and then on the other side as well. So it will now look like this one. So that is our edge. This will hold the D-ring. Initially, you can just put it like that, and then you sew it like that. But I want it to be more durable, so I will put it in the middle, and we will cut a portion of this one on this back side We'll cut it a bit in half. Now, let's get this D-ring and put it in the middle and put this portion inside of this one. So, put it here inside with the help of this tool, and this one right there. This will be the one that you will be having. This the other side. Just need to sew that with the black thread and needle. I specifically chose to do that because I want this two leathers to hold the metal so that it will not fall off. Now I have done it on both sides. You can see this is how it looks like when you finish doing that sewing, and also on the other side as well. Now I will place this one on my bag. So I have initially done this. I've separated the chain in the middle. I opened them both using, you see, using this tool, and this one put here and inside and close it now. Okay, the other side as well. So now I have successfully placed this leather strap on this chain, and I will be very happy to use this. It will not hurt my shoulders anymore or dig into my shoulders, this chain, but it's still very stylish and very fashionable. And if you have noticed, this one is glossy because I have used this one, Leather Studio paint, glossy paint in black color. And also after that I have sprayed it with this one, the top coat, matte top coat, just to make sure the paint will not rub off my clothes. And also I made it glossy because the body of this one is also glossy, so that it would match. And also, if you have noticed, I have placed some holes. I've used this one puncher, punch some holes in them so that it would be nice or some kind of decoration. And I really hope you have learned something out of this tutorial. And thank you again for watching, and remember to always thank God for all these beautiful blessings. See you next time. Bye.